Welcome to our complete guide on the top Roblox emulators for mobile in 2025. Get ready to unlock endless gaming possibilities. Roblox has exploded in popularity, capturing the hearts of millions. Let's dive into what makes this platform so unique. When evaluating emulators, we focus on performance, user experience, and reliability. Let's see how they stack up. Now, here are our top 5 Roblox emulators for mobile in 2025 that you won't want to miss. First up, we have Emulator 1. It boasts amazing graphics, smooth performance, and rave reviews. Next is Emulator 2, which is known for its user-friendly interface and extensive game library. Coming in third, Emulator 3 is praised for its customization options and community support. Emulator 4 offers impressive speed and reliability, making it a favorite among users. Finally, Emulator 5 rounds out our list with its fantastic support and frequent updates. Here's a quick comparison of all emulators to help you decide which one suits your gaming style. In conclusion, the right emulator depends on your gaming preferences. Research, explore, and happy gaming!